Hello, good day everyone. Do you know you can solve this question without using any calculator? As you can see here, we are to calculate the area in blue. What is this triangle here? So if you assume this point to be P, that means we are to calculate the area of triangle PDP. We can see this angle has its size to be X and this also X. That is, they are congruent. This side AB has a length 1000 millimeters, while this side CP has its length to be 360 millimeters. So how can we solve this? Okay, we'll start with this triangle ABD. If we use the SOHCAHTOA tool, taking this angle X as theta, this is the opposite and this is the adjacent. From this TOA, tan theta equal to opposite over adjacent. Theta is X, opposite is line AD, and adjacent is 1000 millimeters. So tan X equal to line AD over 1000 millimeters. We have two unknown variables here and cannot be solved with just one equation. So what should we do? We come to the triangle BCP. If we also use the SOHCAHTOA tool, taking this angle as theta, there is opposite and there is adjacent. From here, tan theta equal to opposite over adjacent. Theta is X, opposite is 360 millimeters, and adjacent is line BC. So tan X equal to 360 millimeters over line BC. But recall here, tan X equal to line AD over 1000 millimeters. If you substitute here, now line AD over 1000 millimeters equal to 360 millimeters over line BC. But recall, this here is a rectangle. Opposite sides of a rectangle we know are equal in length. So if we assume the length of this side BC to be Y, this must also be Y. Now line BC equal to Y and line AD equal to Y. If we substitute here, Y over 1000 millimeters equal to 360 millimeters over Y. The next thing is to cross multiply. Y times Y is Y squared, and here 1000 millimeters we know is the same as 10 times 10 times 10 millimeters, and 10 times 10 times 10 is 10 raised to the power 3, while here 360 is the same as 36 times 10. This 10 times this 10 raised to the power 3 is 10 raised to the power 4. We now have 36 millimeters times 10 raised to the power 4 millimeters. This millimeters will multiply by this millimeters, which is millimeters squared. Now Y squared equal to 36 millimeters squared times 10 raised to the power 4. If we take the square root of both sides, here square root of Y squared is Y, and here square root of 36 millimeters squared times 10 raised to the power 4 is the same as square root of 36 times square root of millimeters squared times square root of 10 raised to the power 4. Square root of 36 we know is 6. Square root of millimeters squared we know is millimeters. And here square root of 10 raised to the power 4 is 10 raised to the power 2. So Y equal to 6 times millimeters times 10 raised to the power 2. 10 squared is 10 times 10, which is 100. 6 times millimeters times 100 is 600 millimeters. So Y equal to 600 millimeters. That is, the length of this side and this side is 600 millimeters. Now since the formula for the area of a triangle is 1 over 2 base times height, coming to this triangle here, there is the base and there is the height. So base equal to 600 millimeters and height equal to 1000 millimeters. If we substitute into this formula, area of triangle ABD equal to 1 over 2 times 600 millimeters times 1000 millimeters. 1 over 2 times 600 millimeters is 300 millimeters, and 300 millimeters times 1000 millimeters is 300,000 millimeters squared. Coming to this triangle, there is its base and there is its height. If we substitute here, area of triangle BCP equal to 1 over 2 times 360 millimeters times 600 millimeters. 1 over 2 times 360 millimeters is 180 millimeters, and 180 millimeters times 600 millimeters is 108,000 millimeters squared. So area of triangle BCP equal to 108,000 millimeters squared. Now if you look, This here is a diagonal of the rectangle ABCD, and we know the diagonal of a rectangle divided into two congruent triangles, that is this triangle ABD and this triangle BCD, and we found the area of triangle ABD to be 300,000 millimeters squared. So the area of this triangle BCD must also be 300,000 millimeters squared. Now if we subtract the area of this triangle BCP from the area of triangle BCD, we're going to be left with the area of this triangle BDP. So area of triangle BDP equal to area of triangle BCD minus area of triangle BCP. Area of triangle BCD is 300,000 millimeters squared, and area of triangle BCP is 108,000 millimeters squared. 300,000 millimeters squared minus 108,000 millimeters squared is 192,000 millimeters squared. So area of triangle BDP, which is the blue colored portion we are asked to calculate, its area is 192,000 millimeters squared. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and also turn the notification button for this channel. Thank you. See you in another video. Thanks.